Hello, everyone. Welcome to this workshop on P4 programmable switches. My name is Jorge Crichigno, one of the organizers of the event. This event is organized by the University of South Carolina, ESNet and the Engagement and Performance Operations Center, and the Great Plains Networks. The event is supported by the National Science Foundation. And I want to start this very quick overview of what is this workshop, why do we do it, and how will this continue. This is a training workshop supported by NSF, and one of the reasons is the increasing trend towards programmability and open source that we have been seeing since over the last 10 years. This timeline is just an example, starting around 2007-8 with SDN, moving to Science DMC 2013, P414, P416, and more recently, research cyber infrastructures such as Fabric, which we will hear today. So that was one of the motivation of the organizing team to prepare this workshop. We hope that this workshop will facilitate the adoption of programmable P4 devices by cyber infrastructure and IT professionals in general, and also will help integrate P4 material into all levels, associate, bachelor, and graduate degrees. You will see that we have developed some virtual labs on P4. We hope that these labs will be disseminated, and also best practices and other resources will be disseminated. That's the reason why we're bringing people from industry, from research infrastructures, such as Fabric, and also from universities. So the workshop website, you should have received this information in your email, is provided here, and all the material, presentations, virtual machines, etc., will be posted in this website. The agenda for today, we have two main presentations. Then we will follow with two hands-on sessions. That is day number one. Day number two, we will have two main presentations. This is going to be a week from today. The first one, consideration for network performance and P4 campus. And then we will have also a short presentation, 15 minutes, Tofino pod for teaching and research, followed by two hands-on sessions again. The material, you have access to the virtual platform. That access will be for 90 days, but if you want to extend, feel free just to email us and we will be happy to do so. Finally, we will be using for the hands-on material, we will be using a lab library that we built here at USC. It's about P4 programmable switches using a software switch that is called BMV2. However, during the length of this project, which is 4 years, we'll be developing many other lab libraries, including advanced topics, P4 programmable switches using real Tofino equipment, which is already built, but we will not be using in this tutorial, in this workshop. Network operating systems, and there are many more that we already built, such as SDN, OVS, etc. All this information is listed in the website, the web page that is here at the bottom. And again, if you want more information or wish to try these labs, just feel free to email us. With that, I want to introduce right now to my co-organizers. First, Jason Suraski. Jason is the science engineering, engagement engineering at ESNet. He's one of the founding member of several open source software deployments, PerfSonar, O1, OSCARs, and many others. Before joining ESNet, he worked for the University of Delaware and Internet 2. So Jason, do you want to say some words?
Absolutely, and thank you, Jorge, for the great introduction. Representing myself and representing the Engagement and Performance Operations Center, we're happy to have everybody signed up and being a part of this event over this week and next week. We're here to understand and support all of the campus infrastructure as best as we can. So certainly ask lots of questions and enjoy the speakers as we go through the workshop.
Thank you, Jason. Another co-organizer is James Didham. He's the executive director of the Great Plains Network, a nonprofit or consortium, nonprofit organization of research universities focused upon connecting networks, advocating research, and cultivating community. Prior to joining GPN, he served as CTO for OneNet, Oklahoma's research and education network. For more than 2 decades, Didon has helped drive cyber infrastructure initiative by working with leaders in Internet 2, regional and national initiatives. James, do you want to say some words?
Thanks, Jorge. Thank you for the introduction. Just a couple extra things. I just want to say I'm very excited about helping sponsor this workshop. As Jorge mentioned, GPN has been focused on research cyber infrastructure needs of the universities in our region, and I'm very happy with the level of engagement that the IT professionals at our institutions, and especially at our state networks, have in researcher success. And so given the focus of this workshop, I'm very happy to see the opportunity for those professionals to get more familiar with P4. And I'm especially excited about the spring. We'll be hosting one of the fabric nodes in the region. So we'll be able to have an opportunity to help researchers in that respect and have a better understanding of how they're leveraging that test bed. So thank you, Jorge, and looking forward to the workshop.
Thank you, James. It's a true pleasure to work with both you, Jason, and James.